In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize buttons using the Card.co platform. It's an excellent tool for building simple and effective websites. And today we'll focus on enhancing your site's interactivity with custom buttons. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to navigate to your Card dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Add an Element option. You can easily spot it because it features a distinctive plus icon. Clicking on this icon will open a menu of elements you can add to your page. We're looking specifically for the option labeled Buttons. After clicking on Buttons, you'll be taken to another menu where you'll see a button option. Click on this to reveal the Properties menu for your new button. Think of this menu as your Buttons control center. Here, you can make various edits and customize the button to suit your needs and aesthetic preferences. Next, you'll add a label to your button. The label is essentially the text that will appear on the button itself. So choose words that clearly convey the button's function. Once you've settled on a label, direct your attention to the URL field. This is where you input the link destination. Consider this the magic behind the button. When users click, this is where they'll be taken. Now that your button is functional, let's move on to style. Adding a background color is straightforward. You have the flexibility to either use the provided sliders for quick color selection or input a specific hex code if you have one in mind. This way, you can make your button perfectly match your site's design. For a more dynamic button, you might want to add a hover color. This means the button changes color when a user hovers their mouse over it, giving your site a touch of interactivity. It's an optional but recommended step to make the user experience more engaging. Another customization feature is adjusting the label color, the text color of the button. Make sure it contrasts well with the button's background for readability. For those subscribed to Card's Pro features, there's an additional customization option available, an on-click function. This can trigger JavaScript actions when the button is clicked, adding advanced functionality beyond just linking to a page. Once you're happy with your button's setup and appearance, click on Add to place it on your site. Repeat this process if you wish to include more buttons. Each ad will allow you to continuously tailor your site to better fit your content and user needs. Finally, when you've added all necessary buttons and they appear just as you envisioned, hit Done. This will finalize your edits. Remember, web design is iterative, so don't hesitate to revisit and refine your buttons as your site evolves. I hope this guide was helpful, and you're now ready to enhance your Card.co site with stylish, functional buttons.